Hey guys, welcome. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com and I'm here with another interview question, and the question is, what is a class loader and what is the purpose of a class loader? So as the name indicates, class loader is basically loads up your classes. So when you are writing a Java program, you're not just writing that class, you might also be referencing other classes that are already pre-built in Java. So what this class loader does, it is a part of your JRE. What does it do is it will load all those classes that you need, and that way you have everything in one place to execute your program. So the Java class loader is the program that belongs to JRE. So it comes up with your JRE, and the purpose of this class loader is to load those required classes and interfaces to the JVM when required. So when you are executing your program, you might be referencing other classes, or let's say if you are trying to get an input from your keyboard, you might be using something called as a scanner class, right? So when you're referencing these external classes or the pre-built classes, or you're referencing other classes from your program, then the class loader is going to load all these different classes to exit at the runtime, and JVM will have everything it needs. That is what the purpose of the class loader is. And now we have one more question to cover, since it was a very simple one. The next question is, what part of memory, is it a stack memory or is it a heap memory, is cleaned in garbage collection process? So as we talked about garbage collection, it is basically cleans up all your objects that you are not reachable or you don't need them anymore. So what part of memory they wipe out? So there is two types of memory we have. One is the stack memory, or another one is the heap memory. And if you remember, heap memory is the one which has all the objects, etc. Stack, all it has is local variables, things like that. So the garbage collection wipes out your heap memory. Whatever objects that are available in the heap memory which are no longer needed or they are unreachable, those are the objects that garbage collection is going to clean up. And which memory it acts upon? It acts upon the heap memory. So we have covered two interview questions in this particular lecture. One was related to garbage collection process and the other one is related to the class loader. I hope things are crystal clear, and I'm going to see you in the next video with another interview question. So stay tuned for that. Thank you very much.